In this video, I will address your doubts about getting loan from Venmo and whether it is actually possible. To answer this, I am referring to the official Venmo website. However, after reviewing the available features, it becomes clear that there is no option anywhere that allows users to borrow money from Venmo. If you go into the Help Center and use the search bar at the top of the page to look up loan, you will find the relevant information. In the section labeled General Business and Partnership Inquiries, Venmo clearly states that it does not offer loans to users. This confirms that borrowing money through Venmo is not available. The platform does not provide any type of loan service through either its website or mobile app. The purpose of this video is simply to make it clear that borrowing money from Venmo is not possible at this time. And if you are already using digital payment apps and looking for additional financial flexibility, you might also be interested in simple ways to earn extra money online. Some platforms allow you to complete small tasks, surveys, and offers in your free time to generate extra income. I have included a link in the description where you can sign up for free cash for free and explore it if you want to try earning a bit of extra cash.